Let's go. Hello and welcome to Technology Simplicity YouTube channel. My name is Jay Chong. Today I'm going to share with you how to create a bio link, especially for Instagram, for any other social media. Nowadays we need a one link to share to everyone, whereby you can promote and upsells other stuff in one page, right? Yep. So I'm going to share with you the free way and the easiest way. Let's go. Okay, how to create bio link? Simple, straightforward. I'm going to share with you directly exactly how you're going to do it. Number one, let me share with you. Okay, at first, open your browser as usual. Okay, go to ssxda.my. Okay, once you do it, okay, you shall get started. If you haven't registered an account, okay, because they're going to turn off their free plan very soon. Okay, for now I have an account already, so I'm going to log in. Okay, once you log in, if you created SSXDA account quite some time ago, they already have a bio page last time. Okay, that's why when it comes to this guy here, let me share you. Once you log in, you shall see this guy bio page, and if your account is created before the major upgrade, you shall see this guy. If you want it, you can import. Then you shall have your bio page ready. Okay, this is just for example. Okay, if you haven't, don't worry. Come to a bio page and look for this create bio. Just click it. Okay, for example, I'm going to put today I'm going to use Taylor Swift as example. Okay, and my alias will be Taylor Swift as well. Okay, this one domain only. Okay, I'm going to upload an avatar. Okay, thanks to Canva. Please remember, upload your profile picture only with maximum size of 300 x 300, and at most is 500 KB. So let's say you already have a picture here. Okay, if you look carefully, your dimension should be within 300, as well as the size shouldn't be exceed 500 KB. If you done it, yes, let's upload it. Ta-da! Okay, then the next thing is you're going to put in a lot of links and as well as social links. So what you're going to do is, okay, let me put in the content first. So after the major upgrade of this SS88, this actually allows you to embed certain content right away in your bio page. For example, I want to embed a Spotify track. I can straight away put here. Okay, the track is already here. And for example, I want to put Wikipedia. I'm going to put link Wikipedia page, something like that. Okay, then you can also put in all the social links. By the way, the links is very powerful, as in you can straight away put in your PayPal button. Let's say you want to seek for donations. I think this is one of the great way, as well as you can put in a TikTok or even a YouTube video. Okay, I don't have any YouTube video right now. Let me see. Taylor Swift. Okay, let's say I want to embed this. Right, simple, just copy it. Right away, come here. Ta-da! As simple as this. Okay, and you can move. Let's say I want to show video first, then I want to show Wikipedia and Spotify. Yes, it's done. Then the next thing is you can put in all your social links. Let's say I want to start with Facebook. Okay, do we have Twitter? We have Instagram here. Put it here. Okay, we have a YouTube. Okay, it's done. And last but not least is the appearance. Okay, let me minimize it. Okay, this is the plain, I would say white color. You can choose a lot of colors here. Let's say I want to go for, let's say, midnight blue. This is the flag here. Okay, text color I want to use the white. It's cool. Yeah, you can change all the button color as well and so on. Once you're done, just save it, and you shall have this. Voila, as simple as this. So your social links will be here, and your YouTube is here, your Wikipedia page, you can click it. It's very simple for you to create a bio link. It's actually less than 5 minutes as long as you have all the links and content available. Okay, as well as the picture is most important. And of course, the best thing on it is, did you see this guy? Statistics. You can track how many people actually click on it. For example, just now I come from Malaysia, so there's one click and one unique click. What is unique click means? Let's say me, same person, I'm clicking the link for 10 times. So you probably will see this click with 10, but unique click will be just 1, because it will detect you as one person. And it will detect you from what country. Referral means where does the links come from. So let's say you embed the bio link at your Instagram, it shall show Instagram. So this is the general one, and you can just check from in terms of the country, even the city. Okay, if you have the data, then you can check what are the platform, what are the browser they are coming from, what are the languages as well. For now it's English. Last, this is the most important one, is where does they come from, where they get the link from. Are they actually sharing through WhatsApp and so on? So it will show here. So basically this is bio links, and it's which this is a much more easier way for you to create, and most importantly is you can create unlimited of bio links. Let's say today you want to create about your business, then you want to create another one which is about your brands, then the third one probably will be yourself as an individual, which means you can create a lot of bio page here. Then you can have different kinds of bio links under one account. It's so simple, right? Okay, I hope you enjoy what I shared with you just now by using SS88, one of the greatest invention coming from Malaysia, to share with you how to create a bio link in a very easy way. It's actually just less than 3 minutes, and you have the link whereby you can share to all your friends as well as embed it at your social media account, especially Instagram. So if you like what I shared just now, please, I need your help as well. Like the video to tell me that you enjoy watching and you learn something from this simple video, as well as you subscribe to the channel so that you will get notified whenever I upload a new video, as well as most importantly is put a ring so that you get notification whenever I upload a new video, as well as coming out of a live every Wednesday 8:15 PM UTC+8. I will be sharing in terms of technology, WordPress, tips and tricks, and other technology and digital related content. Once again, my name is Jay Chong, and thanks for watching and stay with me for Technology Simplicity YouTube channel. Last but not least, stay home, stay safe, and hope to see you again. Goodbye.